Welcome everybody to the Made from Scratch tutorial number 7. I go by the name of DJ ND, and today I'm going to show you a combo that you can do in reverse. Of course you can do it in the regular way as well, but let's break it down in reverse. In the first part I'm doing 2 swing flares in reverse. So 2 swing flares in reverse just like this. The second part is Rafik's slow Autobahn in reverse. Once again. And when you put the 2 parts together, it sounds like this. Alright, now let me show you on a beat right now.